Okay, Leo, this is the big scene. Your wife just left you, your dog ran away, and your house is on fire. Action.
Oh no. I am very sad. I am crying inside.
Cut! Leo, where is the emotion? You lost everything. Try again.
I am extremely sad. It is bad.
No. Okay, change the scene. You just won the lottery. You are a billionaire. Action.
Hooray! I am happy. I am very good. Money is nice.
Leo, you sound like a GPS navigation system. Turn left. I am happy. You have no soul.
I have a soul, Mia. I don't know the words for big feelings. I only know happy, sad, and angry.
Does your English sound robotic? Do you struggle to show your true heart because your vocabulary is flat?
Stop being a robot. Emotions in English are not just words, they are pictures. Today, I will teach you how to paint with your feelings.
Part 1. The concept. I am sad. I am happy. Hello, my expressive friends. I'm Scarlett. Welcome back to Grow English Mastery. Do you feel like a robot when you talk about your feelings? Your heart is breaking, or you are exploding with joy, but your English words are just flat? Native speakers don't just say emotions. They paint them. They use metaphors. A metaphor connects a feeling to a physical direction or object. Today, I will teach you the 3 rules of emotion in English. Rule 1. Happy is up. Rule 2. Sad is down. Rule 3. Anger is heat. By the end of this lesson, you will never say, I'm very happy again. You will say, I'm flying. Are you ready to feel? Let's look up. Part 2. Rule 1. Happy is up. Did you hear Mia? She wasn't just happy. She was walking on air. She was over the moon. In English, happiness makes us feel light. It defies gravity. So, almost all idioms for happiness are about being high up. Phrase 1. On cloud 9. This means extremely happy. The highest level of joy. She is on cloud 9 after her wedding. Phrase 2. Walking on air. You feel so light you don't touch the ground. I got an A on the test. I'm walking on air. Phrase 3. Things are looking up. This means the situation is getting better. Business was bad, but now things are looking up. So, if you want to show joy, use words that lift you into the sky. But what happens when gravity pulls you down?
Mia,
Watch out! You almost walked into a tree. What is wrong with you? Nothing is wrong, Leo. Everything is perfect. I just got the email. I got the scholarship to London.
wow, that is amazing news. You must be happy.
Happy? No. Happy is for finding $5. This, I am walking on air. Walking on air?
You look like you are floating.
I feel like I weigh nothing. My spirit is soaring. I am on cloud 9 right now. I don't want to come down.
And I heard another one. Arf, I'll stay.
Are you over the moon? Yes, I jumped right over it. I've been in high spirits all morning. Nothing can bring me down.
Well, enjoy the flight. You deserve it.
Thanks, Leo. Things are definitely looking up for me.
Happiness is light. It lifts you up. Up is good.
Part 3. Rule 2. Sad is down. Gravity is heavy, and sadness is heavy. That is why sad is down. When Leo was sad, Mia said, "You look down." This is a very common way to say, "You look sad." Phrase 1. Feeling low. This means lacking energy or happiness. I'm feeling a bit low today. Phrase 2. Down in the dumps. The dumps is an old word for a messy, sad place. He's been down in the dumps since he lost his job. Phrase 3. My heart sank. Imagine a stone falling in water. That is how bad news feels. When I heard the news, my heart sank. And when you comfort someone, you say, "Don't let it get you down." You are literally telling them to stand up against the sadness. Now, let's change the temperature. What happens when we get mad?
Hey, Leo. Ready to? Whoa. You look like a melted candle.
Hi, Mia. I don't have energy today. I'm feeling really low.
What happened? You were fine yesterday.
I failed my driving test. Again.
When the instructor told me, my heart sank. It felt like a stone in my chest.
Oh, Leo. I am sorry. That is a heavy feeling.
Yeah. I've been down in the dumps all afternoon. I just want to crawl into a hole.
Hey, don't let it get you down. It was just a bad day, not a bad life.
I know. But it's hard to lift my spirits right now. Gravity feels stronger today.
Here, chocolate usually helps.
Thanks. Maybe I won't stay at the bottom forever.
Sadness is heavy. It pulls you down. But friends can help lift you up.
Part 4. Rule 3. Angry is heat. Fire. Explosion. Steam. In English, the human body is a container, and anger is a hot fluid inside it. If you get too angry, you explode. Phrase 1. He exploded. This means he suddenly started shouting. My dad exploded when he saw the broken car. Phrase 2. Fuming. Imagine smoke coming off a hot fire. That is fuming. Silent, but very angry. She didn't say anything, but she was fuming. Phrase 3. A heated argument. An argument with a lot of anger and energy. They had a heated argument about money. Phrase 4. Cool down. To stop being angry, you need to lower the temperature. I need to take a walk to cool down. So remember, anger is fire. Keep it cool.
Leo, hide. The boss is on a rampage. Do not go into his office. Why?
What happened?
Is he mad? Mad? He is boiling. The client canceled the contract, and the boss just exploded. I heard him shouting from the elevator.
Wow. So he has a short fuse?
Very short. He was fuming all morning, silent smoke coming out of his ears.
And then the intern asked him a stupid question. That just added fuel to the fire.
Ouch. Bad timing.
Yeah, it was a heated argument. Faces red, steam everywhere.
I need to get him to sign this paper. Should I go now?
Are you crazy? No. You need to let him cool down. Give him an hour to lower his temperature.
You are right. I don't want to get burned.
Exactly. Stay cool, Leo.
Oh, okay, maybe 2 hours.
Let's go get ice cream. We need the opposite of heat.
The body is a container. Anger is the hot liquid inside. Don't let it explode.
Part 5. Vocabulary focus. Cool down. Fuming. Walking on air. These words are so much more powerful than happy or mad. Before we practice, let's review the key vocabulary. Word 1. High spirits. This means being in a good mood. Everyone was in high spirits at the party. Happy is up. Word 2. Depressed. This is a clinical word for very deep sadness. Deep. Down. He felt depressed after the loss. Word 3. Hot-headed. This describes a person who gets angry very easily. Be careful. He is a bit hot-headed. Anger is heat. Part 6. Shadowing practice. Now, let's practice. We will do a shadowing drill. I want you to act. Don't just say the words. Feel the direction. Phrase 1. Up, happy. I'm over the moon. I'm walking on air. Phrase 2. Down, sad. I'm feeling a bit low today. My heart sank when I heard it. Phrase 3. Heat, angry. He was absolutely fuming. I need to cool down. Fantastic! You sound like a native speaker with real emotions. Part 7. Conclusion. So, let's recap. 1. Happy is up. Cloud 9. Over the moon. 2. Sad is down. Feeling low. Heart sank. 3. Angry is heat. Fuming. Exploded. Cool down. Using metaphors makes you an interesting speaker. It connects you to other people's hearts. Now, I have a challenge for you. How are you feeling right now? Don't use good or bad. Use a metaphor. Are you on cloud 9? Are you feeling low? Are you fuming? Tell me in the comments below. I want to know your true feelings. If this video lifted your spirits up, please smash that like button and subscribe to grow English mastery. I'm Scarlett. Stay cool and keep aiming high. See you next time.